Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about sport and fitness, a topic that's increasingly part of everyday conversation, whether you go to the gym, play sport, or just enjoy staying active. Let's start with types of exercise. Cardio is short for cardiovascular exercise, anything that raises your heart rate for a sustained period. Running, cycling, swimming, and dancing are all cardio. Strength training means using weights or resistance to build muscle. And HIIT, high-intensity interval training, alternates short bursts of intense effort with rest periods. At the gym, you'll hear people talk about reps and sets. A rep, short for repetition, is one complete movement of an exercise. A set is a group of reps. For example, I did 3 sets of 12 reps on the bench press. Progress is a big part of fitness conversations. You might say, I've been building up my stamina, I can run for 30 minutes without stopping now. Or, I've improved a lot since I started, I've gone from lifting 10 kilos to 20. Stamina means the ability to sustain effort for a long time. One motivating phrase you'll hear a lot is personal best, often shortened to PB. This is your best ever performance. For example, I set a new PB in the park run last weekend, 25 minutes and 40 seconds. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Recovery means the rest and repair your body needs between sessions. You might say, I'm having a rest day today, recovery is part of the process. Or, I've been stretching more, it really helps with soreness the next day. Warming up before exercise and cooling down after are also key habits. A warm-up prepares your muscles. A cool-down helps prevent injury and stiffness. Today, we covered types of exercise, gym vocabulary, progress phrases, personal bests, and recovery. Keep moving and keep practicing. See you next lesson.